Hello everyone, welcome to Thai Food Delight. Today we're gonna show you how to make spicy eggplant salad using an air fryer. For this recipe, I'm gonna be using long eggplants. In Thailand, you will see a lot of long green eggplants, just like these. You can also use the purple eggplants if you can't find any. The very first step is preparing the eggplants. We're gonna remove the top of the eggplants before adding to the air fryer. This will prevent the eggplants from exploding in the air fryer. Then we're gonna transfer the eggplants into the air fryer baskets. While that's going, we're gonna prepare the paste for our salad. For the paste, I'm having here Thai chillies, coriander roots, and garlic. We're gonna chop the coriander roots into thinly slices. If you can't find coriander roots, you can also use coriander stems as an alternative. Once we chop the coriander roots, we will add these three ingredients into the mortar and pestle. Pound the ingredients until we got a rough paste. In this process, you might want to use your hands to cover just a little bit. By doing so, it can prevent the chilies from jumping into your eyes. Once we got a paste like so, we will set this aside. And now it's time to check our eggplants. We're gonna remove the eggplants from the air fryer. We're gonna leave the eggplants to cool down before peeling the skin off. For my spicy eggplant salad, I'm also gonna be using minced pork. This is 50 grams or about 1.7 ounces of minced pork. Then I'm also having here shrimps, peeled and deveined. This is 60 grams or about 2 ounces of shrimps. For this recipe, I like to cut the shrimps like so. In a small saucepan, add in 600 milliliters of water. And for a little bit of seasoning, add in 1/3 teaspoon of salt, After the eggplants have cooled down for a while, I'm gonna use a knife to peel off the skin. By now, the skin should come off easily. After that, I'm gonna cut the eggplants into bite-sized pieces. The next step is making the dressing. Into the mixing bowl, add in the paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, Give it a good mix until all the ingredients are well incorporated. When making the dressing, it's important to balancing all the flavors together. For me, I like my dressing sweet, sour, savory, and spicy at the same time. Like always, you can also adjust according to your preference. Next, we're gonna add in minced pork and shrimps and thinly sliced shallots. If you can't find shallots, red onion will also work just fine. We're gonna give it a good mix one last time. The last step is adding the dressing on top of the eggplants. Spicy eggplant salad is best served with rice. It's one of the simple and delicious Thai dishes you can enjoy at home. And there you have it, spicy eggplant salad. If you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.